Ashva Sudhanshu Mane. See, these words we have to understand and we have to decipher the date. So here, Bhujanga is number 8. Bhuvana is 7. Ashva is 7. And Sudhanshu, yani Chandra, is 1. And from right to left, we have to decipher these numbers. So when you write Bhujanga 8, Bhuvana 7, Ashva 7, and Sudhanshu, that is Chandra, is 1. So then you have to read it from the right to left. So it will become 1, 7, 7, 8 Shaka. And if you want to convert it into AD, then it will be 18508. You have to plus 72. You have to add 72 into this date, then you will get the AD. I hope that everybody follows this. And if anybody is interested to read with me, they can also read and decipher. The second one is Yama, Bana, Ashwa, Chandra, Shake. So how will you decipher this? Yama is 1. Ban, everybody knows. Panchasharaha, Panch. Ashwa, again 7. And Chandra is 1. So see, in the first line you find it as Sudhanshu. And here directly it is Chandra. So you have to also understand that which are the synonyms of one word. So here Amar Kosh is very much useful to decipher this word. Chandra. So it will be 1. But when you read it from right to left, it will be 1751. Okay. Now the third one. Here again see, you find another word for Chandra. Shashi, Vaso, yes, Rutu, and Ritu 6 and Chandra is 1. And when you read it from right to left, it is 1, 6, 8, 1. Okay. Now the next one is Shake Veda Vipaksa Sindhu Rajani Nathankite. So what it will be? Veda are 4, so it is number 4. Vipaksha means Shatru. Here we will take it as Shadripu, so it is 6. Then Sindhu, Samudra 7, and Rajani Nath. What is Rajani Nath? Is Ratri. So it is 1. And it is Rajani Nath is Chandra actually. Rajani is Ratri and Nath. So Rajani Nath is Chandra, so it is 1. So again from right to left, it is 1, 7, 6, 4. The next one is Shake Sapta Dharanavendu Ganite Mane. Here, Sapta is directly indicative of 7. Dhara, that is Prithvi, so it is 1. Arnava, Samudra, that is 7. And Indu is that is 1. So see here how many words are given as a synonym for Chandra. So you have to apply your that intelligence, that the synonym of Chandra, the synonym of Prithvi, so that you have to apply. So here it is 7171, and from right to left it is 1717. So this way you will find the date of the manuscript. It is very interesting. Now Panendu Saptabdi Mite Shakabde. Here there is a twist. Will you decipher? Ban is 5, Indu is 1, Sapta, that is 7, and Abdi, that is 7. So how it can be a 7715? It is not possible, this kind of date, right? But here you have to separate the two samas, that is Banendu and Saptabdimite. Now Banendu here Pan is 5 and Indu is 1, and that part you have to take first as 1 5, and then the another samas, that is Saptabdi 7 7, that you have to add with 1 5, so it will become 1 5 7 7. So sometimes you have to understand this way. Then the next one is Guna Dvaya Nishanathe Shake. Here Guna. How many gunas? 6. Then Dvaya, that is Dvi, so number 2 directly. Then Adri, it is Parvat, again it is 7. And Nishanath, Nishanath is again Chandra, so it is 1. So for 1, see, generally they have used, for 1 they have used Chandra and their synonyms. So it is 6 2 7 1, and from right to left it will be 1. It will be 1 7 2 6. Now Guna Dvaya Ashwadhara Shake, that is Guna is 6, Dvi, that is 2, Ashwa is 7, and Dhara, that is Prithvi, is 1. So it will be 6 2 7 1. That means from right to left it is 1 7 6 2. 1 7 2 6. Okay. Now the next one is Banartu Saptendu Me Shake. So here Ban, Ritu, Sapta and Indu. You have to understand these words. You have to separate the sandhi of the words, separate the samas, and then you decipher. So here Ban is again 5, Ritu is 6, Sapta is 7, and Indu is 1. So it is, I think अभी सब लोग समझते होंगे और फॉलो करते होंगे किस तरह से इसको डेसिफर करना है. So बाण, ऋतु, सप्त and इंदु. So it will be 1 7 6 and 5. So this way you can decipher the colophons. Now you will see Shake, Shivakshi, Shivadrushti, Muninduna. Now Shivakshi. What is Shivakshi? शिव की आंखें. शिव की आंखें. बताइए शिवाक्षी माने क्या हुआ? शिव की आंखें कितनी है? 3 है. तो यहाँ क्या नंबर होगा? 3 होगा. 3. उसके बाद दिया है शिव दृष्टि. तो यहाँ क्या लेंगे? शिव दृष्टि अगेन 3. ठीक है, फिर से 3. शिवाक्षी, शिव दृष्टि दोनों का हुआ 3 नंबर. मुनि, मुनि हुए कितने? 7. और इंदुना, तो इंदु इज अगेन 1. चंद्र. ओके, तो क्या हुआ? 3 3 7 एंड 1. और इसको हम राइट टू लेफ्ट करेंगे तो हुआ 1 7 3 3. तो इस तरह से हमें डेट डिसिफर करनी है. नेक्स्ट वन इज, कोई करेगा स्टूडेंट में से?
यस, माइक ऑन है, एक एक करके बात कीजिए, नहीं तो डिस्टरबेंस क्रिएट होगा. जिनको बोलना है वो हैंड रेस कीजिए, फिर आगे आइए, बोलिए. मनमोहन तिवारी जी कुछ पूछ सकते हैं. हाँ. मनमोहन तिवारी जी, गो फॉर इट.
पढ़िए.
मैम अंक